Hello, this is Neeraj Narwariya, and this is CS50 final project. I made the Python library that can make the slides for the users, and I also upload my library on PyPI. How to install my library? You can write in your terminal pip install eric-slides-neeraj, and hit the enter button. It start installing, but I already installed my library. That's why it say already satisfied. Now, how to make the slides? You can write your title name and your body, and then make the three hyphens for changing the slide. Write your second title and your name, and again you three hyphens for changing the slide. Okay. Now I run Eric, Eric intro introduction dot and hit the enter button. And now I maximize my terminal window so you can see the clear outputs for this. So here you can see slide 1, your project title, a beautiful Python library named Eric. You can use N for next, P for previous, Q for quit. Hit the enter button. You can also use enter. Slide to your name, Neeraj Narwariya, your GitHub and edX username, your city and country, Kolhapur, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, India, and the date you have recorded this video, 11/1/2026. And now I run Q for exit. Now I run happy.txt. I write Eric, Eric happy.txt. You can run this as Neeraj Narwariya, and this is CS50 by David Dimalan, common words, all right. Oh my god. Okay, now enter Q. And now I run Eric presentation dot text. Now again hit enter. Welcome to Eric. This is the title slide. This is centered automatically. You don't need to write the word in the center. It automatically defines. And now code example. Here is some Python code. Dash hello, print hello world, return true. Okay, now I hit enter Q. And now I minimize my window. And here is readme.md. I insert my video link here, and description is a Python-based command line tool that allow you user to deliver presentation directly. And how to install? Pip install eric-slides-neeraj, and how to run the presentation. Offer your terminal and run Eric file name. Your file name what you write .txt. Alternative your path is not right. Python Eric file name. The text for making slide use hyphens for changing the slide. I use AI tools for asking how to upload this on Python library. Okay, now here is my full project files, main.py, setup.py. Here is setup, here is main, and here is Eric projects. In the Eric projects, happy.txt, and now open this, I think, okay, sorry, build. This library is src source, and then again Eric, and this is init, main, color, score, parses, slide, and this is my Python library. And okay, this is my Python library. Thanks for watching, and this is CS50.